YouTube, it's me, Caleb Schmaltz Vacuums, and today, this is my video for you of my Hoover Runabout Supreme Triple Filtration Soft Bagged Unit. Now, this is probably not going to be the only video, because I'm going to go back to my mother's today, and I'm probably going to do some trash picking, and I'm going to find some stuff I have a feeling. Also going to a Cleveland Indians game tomorrow, so I more than likely will bring you some videos of the game. Hang on, my computer's about to die. Let me go grab the charger of my laptop bag. Okay, guys, let's make sure that okay, the orange lights. Alright, guys, so let me pick up this little metal washer, and I quite possibly might have a sort of a summer job for a while. Don't know yet, though. I did hear a little creaking in the when it turned off. I have gotten quite a few messages about my Boss Ultra and how I need to check the brush caps. Don't know if it has sleeve bearings or ball bearings in it, but I will find out soon enough and let you guys know. That might actually be what I do right after this video. Thanks for watching. Bye.